Let me explain how I was able to build this great home theater for free. I posted a video in April 2022 called Awesome DIY Basement Home Theater for under $1,500. Later, I calculated that in the end everything cost around $1,300 in total. If you want more details about what everything costs and how I built the theater, you'll want to go and watch my other videos where I cover all this information. Now, to be completely honest, the cost of everything has gone up over the past 2 years, so today it would probably have cost much more to build, but with that in mind, the principles I used to save money when building my home theater still apply today. First, let me show you around, and then we'll come back to how I ended up paying nothing, zero, for this awesome home theater. To start, my home theater is situated in a basement room just off from the lobby with a commercial popcorn maker, marquee, and stand-up arcade games. The theater itself measures 16 foot by 24 foot with 8 foot textured ceilings for better acoustics. These acoustic tiles came from someone else's remodel project that I just painted black. My home theater seats 14 comfortably due to the use of actual movie theater seats that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. These seats recline and have cup holders as well as arms that lift out of the way for more room, making it more like couches when needed. With a little trial and error, I was able to build platform risers to attach to the theater seating so everyone in the room has an unobstructed view of the full screen. This would otherwise be very difficult to do with a larger seating in this size room. These seats are facing a 110-inch manual pull-down Elite screen. I didn't opt for the automatic retractable screen because I didn't see the need to complicate things and have to worry about malfunctioning in the future. This screen will last forever. As far as projection, I purchased two 1080p projectors for next to nothing. So I have one main Panasonic projector and a secondary Acer projector as a backup and to play 3D content. Someday I may move to 4K projectors as the price comes down, but I'm in no hurry. For more information about why I use 1080p projectors, see my video called Why 1080p is Enough for Me. My theater is equipped with a Denon Dolby Atmos AVR in a 7.2.3 configuration. The model is AVR S740H. This is a great Atmos surround sound receiver for the price, even though it's entry level. I use a mix of speakers in my configuration, including brands like Yamaha, Onkyo, and Samsung. To me, it's more important the quality of the speaker more than the brand. This surround sound speaker arrangement includes two front Yamaha powered subs and one large 200 watt RCA powered sub in the back of the theater. All of the equipment and lighting in this room is controlled by Google Home. Using Google Home, I'm able to automate all the lighting and power functions to give you that true movie experience without the hassle of turning on and off the lights for each movie. This room was already situated in such a way that I didn't have to add any walls. I simply hung sheetrock, painted everything black, and built the risers for the seating using 2x6s and a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. I added some carpet runners between the seats. Then using carpet squares, I filled in all the spaces on the floor that were exposed. To cover any open closet doors or doorways, I went to a local discount fabric outlet and purchased black cloth, which I folded and stapled to wood strips that I could screw in over the doorways for easy removal. I was able to do my own electrical work and install all the lighting that I purchased inexpensively at a discount store. I can't overestimate the importance of dimmable lighting and the use of LED strips for ambiance. Most of the other decorations and art were things that I didn't have any place for elsewhere in my home. Now, with that out of the way, how did I build it for free? Well, the short answer is YouTube. I didn't specifically build this theater for YouTube, but realized all the steps I took to save money when building my home theater and thought this is something that might work well in a video for YouTube. I built this home theater in 2020 during COVID when we were all spending more time at home. As I mentioned before, I uploaded the first video of my home theater in 2022. I then added a few other videos related to home theater configuration and how to save money when building your own home theater. It took about a year, but I was able to monetize this channel once I reached 1,000 subscribers. Today, it would require even less, but at that time you needed 1,000 subscribers. At the point my channel was monetized, I started to earn money from these videos. You wouldn't think you could make very much with only 1,000 to 1,500 subscribers, but actually that first theater video all but paid for my home theater. There's a big difference in the ad revenue for the different types of content here on YouTube. I think one of the reasons my channel has a higher than average earning is because of the demographics that watch this type of content. Almost 94% of those who watch my channel are men, and the bulk of them are in the age range between 25 to 55 years old. This would be a target demographic for advertisers looking for wage earners who make decisions about purchases. Because of this, I started to generate around $300 a month in ad revenue. As you can imagine, it only took about 3 to 4 months for YouTube to cover the cost of my home theater. So now you know my secret. I was able to build an awesome home theater for free using ad revenue from YouTube. If you'd like to watch my theater progress over time and learn how you can save big when building your home theater, be sure to subscribe and watch some of the other videos here on my channel.